So colleagues, yesterday I sent a letter to Chief Justice Clement of the Michigan Supreme Court, urging her to review the conduct of one of her fellow justices. It is troubling and frankly astonishing that this oversight responsibility has defaulted to me rather than being addressed within the court itself. The issue involves Justice Kyra Bolden, who accepted a campaign contribution of $82,500 from a political action committee controlled by Secretary of State Jocelyn Benson, at the very time that Benson was a defendant in the case before the Michigan Supreme Court. Here, colleagues, is the reprehensible timeline. In November 2023, the Secretary of Benson filed an appeal on the O'Halloran versus Benson, where she was the defendant. On August 26, 2024, Benson then contributed from her PAC over $80,000, near the maximum allowed, to Justin Bolden's re-election campaign for November. In August, the Michigan Supreme Court ruled by a slim 4-3 margin in favor of Benson, overturning previous unanimous decisions from both the Court of Claims and the Court of Appeals. Justin Bolden was not only participating in the ruling, but she also went so far as to author the majority opinion, siding entirely with Benson. This sequence raises concerns about the ethics and impartiality questions that every citizen here in the state of Michigan, along with the Chief Justice, must simply address. Canon 2 of the Michigan Code of Judicial Conduct is clear. A judge should avoid impropriety and the appearance of impropriety in all activities. Accepting a campaign funds from a PAC tied to a litigant and then refusing to recuse from the case undermines the spirit and the appearance of judicial impartiality. Justice Bolden should have recused herself due to the obvious conflict of interest. I strongly urge the courts and any relevant oversight bodies to investigate this matter thoroughly. Michigan is already, we know, the least transparent state in the nation, and the public's trust in our governmental institutions are rightfully nosediving. The people here in the state of Michigan deserve and expect a judiciary that is fair, impartial, and beyond reproach. It is time to restore that confidence in our courts.